Hello, this is Scott Rosano with Gigbuilder.com, including our 100 series, continuing that with number 116. This is the event client. In the previous video, we went through and started working on a new event, and that is actually showing right here. So we're basically left off, or starting where we left off. So we can click on this new lead and open this up. So notice it says unspecified wedding reception because we don't have a client yet. We haven't given it a name. So in the last video, we did some of this information, filled this out. Notice when you actually create an event and you open it back up, it opens in what we call a read-only mode. And that's to keep you from, accidentally making, a change that you didn't mean to in setting up. To change that, you either click edit right here with your mouse or your finger on your phone, or you can double click your mouse and the system will automatically go into edit mode as well. And this will do it throughout Gigbuilder. So now we're actually in edit mode and we're going down to our client. And this is where we set our clients. Now, Gigbuilder can handle multiple clients, as you can see here, actually up to 3 of them, which we need. The primary client is basically who's going to be in charge. Additional client, a lot of times you want to have the groom's family or whatever on an event, so we put that in there as well. These work identically, so we're only going to go down this particular section on this video here. And first of all is a lookup. If you recall from a few videos back, we did create a client. And you can look it up and pull a client in. So for example, if they're already in your database, it's someone calling up to do another event or something, you can pull the name up by typing some of the last name. And if you don't know, 3 asterisks will bring up everybody on your list by alphabetical and let you see it. Or you could actually just type in like the word Eric and pull that up. So that you could pull contacts from the existing list. Or from here, we can go ahead and create one right here. And that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to make this Sarah Smith, why not? 828-555-1212, both BS phones. And we don't fill out all of this as we want. In fact, I'm just going to fill up a few things. It doesn't have to be everything. We can go in and edit this in the future. I'll hit Save Changes. Gigbuilder will create that contact and then add it to your form. So everything, of course, that you added in here that she's done or that you've done for her. Now here's some specifics that we're going to go into on this. You're going to see sections in here. For example, a phone and a down arrow. An email thing here. We don't have her email address. And then we have pluses. So if I want to add something to that client record and I don't want to go edit the whole thing, I can simply go here and I can just type in the new email address. I hit OK. And at that particular time now, we have the email assigned to it, and it is assigned to this particular client. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close. And we're going to go ahead and let Gigbuilder register all the new information and take us right back to the desktop. And before we end this video, I'm going to go back in one more time. We're going to click to open. We're going to go down to client so you can see all the information's there. And we also see a blue little @ sign by the email. If you click on that, that will allow you to email your client directly from within Gigbuilder. Again, a lot of this stuff is advanced, and we'll go through that at a later time, but we can also do it with a phone. I can send a quick text message also if I want to. There's quite a bit we could do within the actual Gigbuilder itself and within the client itself. As you see here, once you've got your event open, you may not have to go anywhere else. Everything can be done within here and basically edit where it needs to edit. So what you've done now is you've created an event. We've given it the event basics. We've gone over the dates, and we've added our first client, both by looking at it and determining we can pull something from the records or we could create a new one. So with that, go ahead and we can just click and go back to the dashboard because we'll be ready here for the next video, which will be all about adding employees.